How to change ringtone for emo calls. Hey there everyone, welcome back to this guided studio. So if you want to change your emo ringtone, then here's this step-by-step guide of how you can do this. But before start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. So now to change emo ringtone, simply go and open up the emo application from your phone, and from the home page go and tap on this profile icon at the top left. And from the profile, simply go and tap on settings here. Now once you're here inside the settings, go and tap on the notifications, and inside the notification under the communication you'll get to see the calls. Go and tap on calls, and inside this one you'll get to see the ringtone. You just need to tap on ringtone, and the default ringtone is selected right now. But if you want to change and use your phone ringtone, go ahead and select the second option, use phone ringtone. Just go ahead and tap on this, and this is going to show you all the ringtone that you have on your device, so you can actually select one of these and your ringtone will be changed with that specific ringtone. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.